Ano kaya yan? Ba't kaya nahihiya pa rin hanggang ngayon? Okay, 6 day na. Okay, dali. Ayan na. O, dito ka na. Dali, dito ka na. Dali, dito ka na. Okay. So, ready? Okay, ready na ba kayo? Are you ready? Okay. Unang gagawin. Okay. Arrange yourself according to your birth month. Yung birth month nila. January na sa unahan. Go! Okay, 10 seconds. 7, saan si Chloe? Saan si Chloe? Dito ka? Okay, dyan. Okay, tama na. Okay, pero pwede yung sila tulungan na. Okay, so ready? Okay, kailan yung birthday mo? January. February. February din siya. Kaya ito? March. May. July and? October. Palapakan natin! Okay. Next, kailan birthday mo? March. June. August. September and? Palapakan natin! Okay, ready? Okay, ganun lang. Kabilis. Okay? So wala nang magpapago-bago ha. Okay, 10 seconds ulit. Ready? Okay, second thing to do. Arrange yourself according to your age. Go! Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop! Tama na. Okay, ready? Wala na. Okay, ilan taon na si Axel? 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Palapakan natin! Okay, ready? Okay, ilan taon na si Chloe? 5, 6, 7. Yay! Okay, wala pang nagkakaroon ng points ha. Okay, ready? Ito mahirap na to. Mahirap. Okay, ready? First thing to do. Okay, arrange yourself according to your date naman. Date of birth. Go! Okay, 10, 9. Ano po kailan siya? January? January 18. Feb 2. Muna yung 2. Okay. Wala na agad. Ito. Kailan? 1. June 1. March 3. September 20. 29 and? 30. 30. 30.